How goes it? I'm Jules, and I'm standing right here in Mandeville, Louisiana, home to Fontainebleau State Park. This is our first time out since the pandemic started. It's time to get out, I feel, and hit up some trails and go from there. So we're here by the old sugar mill, which is right behind us.
Right there.
Here lies the remains of Fontainebleau Plantation Sugar Mill. Now being overtaken by nature. You can see all that's left are the bricks. Now not too far off this trail, just off to the side of the road, you can see one of these. Well, that is a crawfish hole. If you're to knock this away and dig about a foot down, just reach your hand in, you might feel a crawfish. This is what it used to look like. You can see all that remains are these two tall stacks towering over the rest of the structure. Kind of crazy to think this was once an operating sugar mill way back in the 1800s. It's just so strange to see these old relics still standing, overtaken by nature. Lots of different plants grow out here, but the palmetto is one of the most abundant plants you can find. The fan-shaped ones out there. They're just everywhere. It's a very large oak that's been uprooted. You can see where it landed. I believe that's an oak. Could be wrong. So the Bayou Cane hiking trail takes you about 5 miles out into the wooded region. We're not doing that today. We're just going to go right. Along the way you'll find these signs. See, this is the blackberry bush you'll find in this region. Starting to get into swamp territory. Better stay dry. Back at the visitor center. Gonna have ourselves a little picnic. Like most shops out here, a lot of them are still closed. So this gift shop, not open just yet. So we found a nice shaded area under the cypress tree. And what do we got here? Chicken salad. It's actually not chicken salad, it's chickpea salad. Going all vegan today. here comes the rain. Oh no, it looks like someone lost their kite.
It sort of blends into the tree.
Well, it's gone now. Well, I've got to run. I'm gonna cut this trip short because of the rain incoming.